welcome back to DS Beauty Blossom. I hope you all are doing great, and today I'm reviewing a product from Sugar Cosmetics, and this is the Sugar Compact Powder. And just keep on watching. If you want to know my review and take on this product, just keep on watching. So this is how the packaging is. It comes with this beautiful pink color packaging, and then you have the Sugar logo on top of it, and then it also gives you the shade name. My shade is 03 Macchiato. They have 3 shades. First shade is Latte, which is for lighter skin tone. Second shade is Cappuccino, which is like light to medium skin tone, like light to fair to dusky skin tone. And the third shade is Macchiato, which is from dusky to dark skin tone. So I've got Macchiato, and this is retail for 699 rupees for each compact, and then you get 9 grams of product in this. In the back side of this packaging, you have all these details on the products they've used. It is formulated in Italy, and it is a paraben free product. That is really wow, because it does not have paraben. And then it also has SPF 15 in it, which is very useful to protect us from UVA and UVB rays. Oil free, and this is nano ingredient free and antioxidant free. That is really nice thing what Sugar has come up. That's one thing, wow. And second thing, I wish they could have launched in few more shades. Maybe 4 or 5 shades. That will be good. And the price point is little high, I know, compared to other drugstore products. So I think the price point is high because it has SPF 15 in it, and second thing is paraben free. And so when it comes to the inner box, this is how the box is. I really love Sugar logo in it. The best part is it is magnetic, so when you actually close it, it has magnet in it, so that's something nice. And then you get a big mirror here, this sponge. You have this film. This is how the product is. You also have the Sugar logo on top of this, and it is really smooth, really evenly, and distribution, you don't have to worry on making it cakey, or if you have this oily skin type, don't worry, it is really nice. I've been using it. And one more thing I like about this is that it is very strong. It is a sturdy packaging. The packaging is so sturdy. By mistakenly I dropped from my hand, it did not break, it was intact, so that's really good thing. Coming back to the longevity, you actually if you apply this on the foundation, it lasts longer, 5 to 6 hours. And I have tried this. I don't apply foundation every day when I go to work longer. And the second good thing is it gives a little glow. It's not, I don't say it's a full coverage compact, it's a medium coverage compact. It doesn't cover any of these parts, but the best thing is it stays on for a long time. I noticed that when I apply in the morning, in the evening also, it actually had very good smooth finish, and you feel smoothness when you apply this to it. So this is a very good product overall. I like this product because it is paraben free for the fact that, and then the second thing is it has SPF 15, and it is very sturdy. You can put it in your bag without any worry. Then the negative is I feel it's little pricey. They could have, if they can try reducing the price, that will be very affordable for everyone out there. But still, I love this product, and that's a really good product. You have to definitely try this, and all those details down, but I really like this product. And if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and support me. And if you're not my subscriber, please subscribe. Watching this video, have a great day, take care, bye bye.